So welcome back to the training. This is not going to be long. We'll make it very brief. So when selling PLR products, it is very profitable and advisable to create a funnel. So if you are selling ebooks, you are selling a video product, and you are selling apps, you could make the front end like the ebooks and 1 or 2 videos, then the upsell more ebooks, then 1 or 2 videos and apps, or just videos, then the second upsell you now have apps. So to do this, if you were to do it from the scratch, like build it with Elementor and do some codings, it is going to really take you a long time and stressful and all that. But there is a solution, and there are several solutions, not just a solution. Actually, you could use funnel builders like ClickFunnels, and there are so many others. Like personally, I have a couple of them that I use. There is GrooveFunnels and a whole lot of them, those that come pricey and those that are cheap. But the one I would recommend for you, especially if you are just starting out and you don't have the money for stuff like GrooveFunnel and Funnel Skills and ClickFunnels, then you could get a solution, a very powerful plugin called CatFlows. Now, another challenge with CatFlows is that it is a little bit pricey, but totally worth it. You can get a lifetime license for $999. That's just like $1,000, and you can have 4 monthly installments, or you can be paying annually for $239. But the good news is that this comes with a GPL, meaning that one can share it if you have it. So I am going to be giving you access to this. You see all the old stuff it can do, and you can build beautiful sales for it. As a matter of fact, let me just show you what you can do with CatFlows, and then let's go to the templates. See beautiful templates, and with this you can create funnels very fast. So this is it. You have all this over here, and then say you want to sell this, you can use it for build funnel for physical products. And let's say this is an online course, evergreen, online, inline checkouts, ebook. Now let's say we want to make use of, let's say, the ebook like this. You give a free ebook and you now lead them into the funnel. So you see, this is it. This is the funnel over here. You can preview it. Let's just preview it. So first you have the landing page, and then the way CatFlow does its own is that it takes you from the landing page. This is the landing page where they opt in, depending as the case may be. But I'm going to show you how to use this. You are not going to be using the default pages that comes with it. I'm going to show you how to do it there. From here you have the checkouts, and then see it here, the checkout and the upsell, downsell. This doesn't really fit with what we have in mind. So let's go back, and something like let's just type in opt-in. You can actually build it from the scratch. SEO, I need something with opt-in. Thank you, checkout, thank you. Though we are going to do it anyway, you are going to see me do it. This registration should do it, because traffic from Facebook, you opt in, landing page. Very strange. Okay, at least you know that something like that's the various upsell. See the checkout, the thank you page. Just do some simple branding, the coloring and the editing of the word. You put up your words in there and boom, you are done with your funnel. But I am going to show you how I do mine. I don't really make use of all this. I build mine custom made from template Elementor or Elementor or Thrive or any other. You can use any page builder. Then I make use of the features within cart flows to create my funnel. So I will show you how to do it. The template already set. You are not going to like literally hundreds of templates, both Elementor and then Thrive. We have opt-in, we have thank you, we have pre-sale, we have sales pages, we have landing pages. So you are generally not going to be making use of all these that almost every other person have, but you are going to have a whole lot of other pro design templates that you just slot in and you are good to go. So we are going to do everything from, you are going to see me do it step by step and build a sales funnel to sell any product, especially PLR. So that's it for that, and I am going to give you this plugin for free. It's going to be among the bonuses. It was not stated on the sales page. So with this, I'm going to end this section. So thank you and God bless. And when we come back, we are going to be looking at converting HTML pages to WordPress. This is very, very important. So I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you once again.